Well, I went out to the dentist. I had a few things that I wanted to address. When I went into the office, the doctor had a really neat, unique way of asking what I wanted to correct or what insecurities I had. A huge factor was my missing tooth and a cosmetic crack on my tooth as well. My teeth are not as white as I would like them to be. He took a photo of me and showed me the options I had and how it would look with those corrections, and I was amazed. I was in the process of deciding to get the Snap-on Smile. I went ahead and got it. It was definitely life-changing. I'm able to eat and drink with it, which makes me really happy. When I went through the process, I also started realizing there were some other concerns that I wanted to address, and one of them was my just overall gum health. Doctor recommended Perio Restore, and I cannot say enough good things about the product. It's incredible. I am very thankful that he suggested this product. I am seeing huge improvements. It's just been a wonderful product that's helped save me. So I've been really more mindful of my gum health, and Perio Restore is what's helping change that. When I went in to see my dentist, he's highly suggested Perio Restore gel would be the next step for me. And he did explain that it was a very simple, easy process. He took my impressions, he took my bite registration, and sent the impressions into the lab. I received my trays, and he had instructed that I would use the product 2 to 4 times a day, and I incorporated it into my routine. Doctor and hygienist both were blown away from the results of just 1 month of use. I did not expect the results that the hygienist gave me. When I went in, the hygienist herself was actually impressed and surprised because of such improvement that she saw with my pocket depth change. I have been tried and true with my Perio Restore gel. I use it religiously. I love Perio Restore gel. I urge anyone who has concerns about their gum health to try it. It's life-changing, truly. I will continue to use it, and I feel that it really helps.